11과 사과 5개 주세요. 대화 1.
어서 오세요.
안녕하세요. 이 사과 얼마예요?
2,000원이에요.
5개 주세요.
대화 2.
사장님, 이 운동화 얼마예요?
55,000원이에요.
55,000원이요? 좀 비싸요. 깎아주세요.
그래요? 알았어요. 5만 원 주세요.
11과 EPS 토픽 듣기 1에서 3번 잘 듣고 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오. 1번,
수박,
2번, 물 3번,
라면 2개,
4에서 5번 질문을 듣고 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오. 4번, 이 사과 얼마예요? 5번,
뭘 드릴까요?
Lesson 11 Grammar 1. Now this is a very useful expression and one that you're going to thank me for, especially if you come to visit Korea. First, you take a long airplane flight. Then, you get to your hotel. And finally, you go to a restaurant and you're very, very hungry. 주세요. You can use it when you order something because it means please give me something. Just say the thing you want to order first and then add 주세요. This is also useful for shopping. Say the thing you want to buy and then say 주세요. So let's try it out. In other words, 주세요 attached to a noun is used to politely request or politely command something. It is often used for purchasing items. Let's hear some conversations.
뭘 드릴까요? 커피 2잔 주세요.
What would you like to have? I'd like to have 2 cups of coffee. Good. So this is at a cafe, right? And what do you want to have? That's first. 커피 2잔. Good. And then what do you say that means please give me? 주세요. Good. Is that what you want at the cafe? Why don't you order something that you would like to have? Did you say blah 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 주세요? Okay, good. You're ready to order. Now let's practice shopping.
오렌지 얼마예요? 한 개에 1,000원이에요. 그럼 오렌지 5개 주세요.
Okay, what's this about? How much is an orange? It's 1,000 won for 1. Then give me 2, please. Yeah, they're shopping for oranges and they ask the price and then next they say how many they want to buy. Okay, let's try this like a role play. So you ask me how much something costs. What do you want? Okay, apple, 사과. Go ahead. 사과 얼마예요? Good. 한 개 2,000원이에요. How do you answer? Did you say 사과 100개 주세요? Oh my. Or did you say 사과 2개 주세요. Great, you got it. Now you can shop and buy and also order something at a restaurant. Okay, so here's a Konglish joke. What did the city kid say when he visited an orange tree orchard for the first time. 주스요. Sorry if that's not very funny. Now you're doing great. Let's move on. Lesson 11, Grammar 2. Now you know how to order juice when you get to Korea. 주스 주세요. But what if you want to ask someone to do something or to help you do something? Well, there's a verb ending you need to add to the base verb. 주세요, 주세요. If the base verb has an or o vowel, use 주세요. Actually, if the verb has so plus there will be just one sound. For example, 가주세요, which means go, politely. Then if the verb has o plus in the verb ending will make a wa sound. So, 와주세요, which means come, politely. However, if the verb has u, I, or I, use 주세요 instead. If the verb is 읽다, to read, add 주세요, which makes 읽어주세요. In the case of 하다, there's a special rule again. 하다 plus 주세요 makes 해주세요. If the verb is 요리하다, which means to cook, say 요리해주세요. Great. A verb plus 주세요 makes the command form in Korean, so it's the verb ending that changes a sentence, a statement, to an order, a request. However, if you want to offer to do something for someone else, you need a different verb form, which is honorific. It's a different verb used to show respect to someone. 들을까요? This comes from the base verb 드리다, followed by the question ending 가요, and you have to match the to the base verb first, and then say 들을까요? So, if you want to help someone out, you should say 도와, which means help, plus the and 들을까요? So together it's 도와드릴까요? I'm adding this because I know that you're such a helpful person. Hope that helps. Let's practice. In other words, 주세요, attached to a verb, expresses a polite request or a polite command that someone do something for the speaker. Ending in vowel or o. 오다, to come. 와주세요, come please. Ending in vowel other than or o. 읽다, to read. 읽어주세요, read please. 하다, 해주세요. 요리하다, to cook. 요리해주세요, cook for me please. Now let's hear some more examples after we say this. 주세요 expresses a request to someone to perform an action. 들을까요 is used when you express to help the listener. In this case, the listener responds using 주세요. So listen carefully, please.
너무 더워요. 창문을 좀 열어주세요.
It is too hot. Please open the window.
이 빵을 봉투에 좀 넣어주세요.
Please put this bread in the plastic bag.
가방을 들어드릴까요? 네, 들어주세요. 고맙습니다.
Shall I carry the bag for you? Yes, please carry it for me. Thank you very much.
11과 1. 잘 듣고 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
사과 2개 하고 주스 3잔 주세요.
2. 질문을 듣고 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
봉투에 넣어 드릴까요?